Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I got a quick video, and it might sound ridiculous what I'm actually going to talk about here right now, but I think it's something that's extremely overlooked. And then when it comes to grouting for tile installations, it's extremely important that you don't have too much water in your sponge. So what I'm going to share with you today, guys, is just my method of how I do it. If you have a better method, please let me know. But from what I found, this is the easiest way to squeeze out a sponge with the least amount of effort, getting almost all the water out. That way you don't have water in your grout, diluting it and making a weaker grout. So please stay tuned for the video. Hope you get something out of it. See you on the next one. Hey guys, I got a video for today. Now it might be something that's pretty obvious, but I think it's not. And it really comes in handy when you're grouting. So basically, how do you squeeze out a sponge properly for when you're washing grout or any type of tile installation for the most part. So I'll show you what a lot of guys do. It's your standard grout sponge, okay, nothing special about it. They'll grab the sponge, they'll maybe fold it and they'll squeeze it real hard, squeeze it real hard, squeeze it real hard. Okay, and they think that's good. Well, there's still a lot of water in there. Okay, the best way I found to squeeze out a sponge and really not kill yourself squeezing in death, because over time, if you do this every day, you could get carpal tunnel or many things, right? So it'll be easier on your body. So the way that I found it works out the best, it gets out the most water with the least amount of effort, is you take the sponge and you twist it, okay? So I'm just going to twist it and squeeze a little bit and see how much more water came out. Squeeze a little bit, but basically as I twist the sponge, that kind of squeezes it, and there's nothing in here. This thing is just damp. So once again, a lot of guys will do it like this. They'll just squeeze the hell out of it, and there's still water in there. So I like to just take it, twist it, and that's a good water-free sponge. There you go.